We're making it 4 straight days now that we're going to be tracking that heat index well into the 100s, though. But as we get you out the door this morning, again, you may notice something as we get into about 3 o'clock, only looking like we're going to be looking at the low 90s. I think we top out around the middle 90s today. The difference is going to be the humidity, and that's going to make up kind of the gap between some of those air temperatures. It's still going to feel like 105 later on today. Latest on a future track, though, as we get into this afternoon. Might fire up 1 or 2 of those showers and storms. Again, with all that heat and humidity, makes it a little bit easier to do so. And still looks like they're going to be pretty isolated in nature. So anytime after about 3 until about sunset, I think is when we're going to be looking at that opportunity. Got another complex of storms, though, to keep an eye on late tonight. Again, going to be stronger up into Iowa and Illinois, but kind of the tail edge of that might clip places like Macon or Monroe County here. That's been showing up on some of the model data, but should be out of here by tomorrow morning's commute. That heat index, like I mentioned, 105 is where we're headed, but if you do pick up 1 or 2 of those showers, again, you notice it takes a bite out of the heat, but still in the upper 90s for that feels like temperature. Even as we get into this evening, still hanging on to the 90s, and then tomorrow, back into the triple digits we go as we get into our Friday. Might as well make it 5 in a row as we get into this work week. Here's a look at those upper level winds, and again, still tracking this ridge. That's going to be shrinking off toward the east, and that'll take most of the heat with it as well. But notice, again, it's going to play another role here as we get into this weekend, Sunday into Monday. There's a little bit of tropical mischief forming down that direction, and it's going to steer that possibly into the Gulf Coast. We got a lot to track here as we get into this weekend, as some of that heat maybe takes a bit of a step back here across mid-Missouri, back into the low 90s Saturday and Sunday. We got those rain chances, though, sneaking back into the picture as we get into Sunday night into Monday, and that should help keep us in the upper 80s next week.